Welcome to Cars Jade. In the ever-intensifying race for electric vehicle (EV) dominance, Toyota has unveiled its bold new strategy, the Area 35 Plan. This groundbreaking approach aims to challenge industry giants like Tesla and fend off competition from Chinese EV manufacturers such as BYD. With a focus on innovation, efficiency, and affordability, Toyota's Area 35 plan is set to transform the landscape of EV production and redefine the company's position in the global market. What is Toyota's Area 35 plan? The Area 35 plan represents Toyota's vision to revolutionize its production processes without constructing new facilities. Instead, the company is repurposing 35% of the floor space currently dedicated to internal combustion engine vehicle assembly lines, allocating it to EV production. This approach allows Toyota to enhance production capacity without the need for massive investments in new infrastructure, a stark contrast to Tesla's reliance on gigafactories. By optimizing existing facilities, Toyota is poised to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and accelerate its EV rollout. How Area 35 is transforming Toyota's production. Increased production capacity. Toyota has already implemented the Area 35 plan in 10 Japanese plants, resulting in an impressive boost of 80,000 additional EVs annually. The company aims to scale these changes across its 54 global plants, targeting an annual production of 3.5 million EVs by 2030. Simplifying manufacturing processes. A cornerstone of the Area 35 strategy is having the number of car parts used in production, reducing complexity and cost. This streamlined approach enables faster manufacturing, making it easier for Toyota to adapt to shifting market demands and minimize risks associated with fluctuating EV trends. Flexible and efficient production. Toyota's CEO, Yoichi Miyazaki, described the plan as central to the company's mission. We are preparing to smartly build a system that can flexibly accommodate our customers' choices. This emphasis on flexibility ensures that Toyota can efficiently cater to consumer preferences, whether they lean towards EVs, hybrids, or traditional ICE vehicles. How Toyota stands apart from competitors like Ford. While rivals such as Ford have faced setbacks due to overcommitment to EV investments, Toyota's strategy is marked by cautious innovation. By leveraging existing facilities and eliminating inefficiencies, Toyota avoids the pitfalls of overextension. This balanced approach enables the automaker to thrive in the EV market while maintaining the strength of its ICE and hybrid models. For instance, Toyota is currently simplifying its ICE and hybrid offerings, though details on which trims may be discontinued remain speculative. Affordable EVs, a game changer for consumers. One of the most promising aspects of the Area 35 plan is its potential to deliver cheaper and better EVs. By reducing production costs, Toyota can offer competitive pricing, making its vehicles more accessible to a broader audience. This is a critical move in a market increasingly dominated by affordable EVs from manufacturers like BYD. Toyota's efforts are already bearing fruit, as evidenced by models like the Land Cruiser SE concept, which combines sustainability, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. Toyota's vision for EV leadership. The Area 35 plan isn't just a reaction to competition, it's Toyota's long-term strategy for reshaping the automotive industry. By prioritizing efficiency, leveraging existing strengths, and delivering high-quality EVs at scale, Toyota is positioning itself as a leader in the next era of mobility. As this ambitious initiative unfolds, it serves as a model for traditional automakers navigating the EV revolution. What lies ahead for Toyota and the EV market? Toyota's bold move is a testament to its commitment to innovation and adaptability. However, the effectiveness of the Area 35 plan in redefining the EV market remains to be seen. Will Toyota's strategy succeed in bridging the gap between affordability and quality, or will it face challenges in a highly competitive landscape? Only time will reveal the full impact of this transformative journey. What's certain is that Toyota's legacy of reliability and innovation is steering the company towards an electrified future, promising an exciting ride for consumers and industry watchers alike. Stay tuned for updates as Toyota's Area 35 plan continues to shape the EV market and redefine automotive excellence.